Cattle have been here for hundreds of years, and they do well here. You know, I like it here. I've been here forever. My great-grandfather settled here in 1938. There's like about 18 permittees that rely on the Curlew grasslands for all their grass.
We feed them hay in the wintertime, and in the summertime, we're on public lands.
In the past, the cattle have been grazing out of the stream, and our aquatic habitat ultimately suffers, and we lose our stream bank. So we're getting them some alternative water sources. If you can move the water, then the cows will move toward the water. We've had a lot of years of working with the farmers and ranchers, and I think that's to our advantage. They have a lot of trust in our agency for the most part. And the nice part about all this is it's voluntary.
Our interest out here is to merge or bridge relationships between public land and private land.
We present them with some of our technical assistance, show them how conservation can help them out. We provide some financial assistance, and they provide some financial assistance, so they have a buy-in to it.
We just got some new pivots in. That's a first for us. These pivots are turning out to be really a good asset, making it so we can utilize the water better that we have. We have a creek that runs through that we irrigate with. Without that water, we wouldn't have anything.
What's really important is to get these private landowners on board, because without them, in a lot of cases, we don't have a project.
We're going to be here next year, and I plan on being here for my family, you know, another 50, 75 years.
These farms have been here for generations, and I think they will be here for generations to come if we can work together as a partnership and put conservation on the ground.
We're going to take care of the ground and the land the best that we know how.